Imagine a future where India's energy needs are met by clean, renewable sources, slashing carbon emissions and propelling us towards a net zero future. This ambitious vision underpins the nation's goal of adding a staggering 500 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2030, a crucial step towards achieving net zero emission by 2070. However, the path to this green utopia is laden with challenges demanding innovative solutions and a collective effort. In this video, we're going to explore this particular affair in detail. The journey has begun with promising strides. Over 70 gigawatt of solar and 44 gigawatt of wind power have already been installed, fueled by policies like must-run status for renewable energy projects and favorable tariffs. Yet, cracks in the foundation are emerging. Power demand, particularly during peak hours, shows no sign of slowing down, and the intermittent nature of solar and wind energy possesses a stability challenge. Recognizing these limitations, a shift towards firm and dispatchable renewable energy is underway. This approach envisions a hybrid model, seamlessly blending solar, wind, and storage solutions like battery or pumped hydrogen storage. This ensures reliable power delivery even during peak hours, mimicking the dispatchability of traditional fossil fuel sources. Storage plays a pivotal role in the equation. Pumped hydro, with its lower capital cost, offers a promising base load solution. Battery storage, backed by government initiatives like Production Linked Incentive Scheme, is poised to become more affordable and efficient. Additionally, deeper and more vibrant power exchanges are crucial for selling excess renewable energy generated during off-peak hours, maximizing resource utilization. The success of India's ambitious green hydrogen mission, aiming for 5 million tons of production by 2030, is intricately linked to the renewable energy revolution. Green hydrogen, produced through electrolysis powered by renewable energy, offers a clean fuel alternative for sectors like transportation and other allied industries. Meeting these intertwined goals demands collaborative effort from policymakers, industry players, and individuals. Embracing innovative technology, strengthening infrastructure, and fostering responsible consumptions are key. India's renewable energy journey is a captivating narrative fraught with challenges and brimming with hope. Share your thoughts on the following questions. Can India overcome the storage and power exchange hurdles to achieve its 500 gigawatt renewable energy target? How can individuals contribute to supporting the clean energy transition? What policy measures and technology advancement are needed to make green hydrogen a reality?